This Indian company is building robots that power warehouses across the globe, from India to Europe and beyond.
With over 350 global clients, including Unilever, Flipkart, Coca-Cola, Maersk, and Reliance, Adverb is revolutionizing the world of logistics and automation.
AI powered bots to smart factories. We got an exclusive look at how cutting edge tech is being built right here in India.
Adverb is one of the world's fastest growing robotic companies. Transforming how industries store, move, manage goods with unmatched precision.
They have already automated more than 500 warehouses across the world and their global footprints over the 5 continents.
We are the students of K.R. Mangalam University, and today we are at the biggest and most advanced manufacturing unit in the country.
Ever wonder what it takes to automate a warehouse with the precision of a Swiss watch?
Or how robots know exactly where your order is, down to the last centimeter.
And how a startup from Noida scaled up to become a global robotics powerhouse.
Come with us as we explore the future of robotics, built right here in India at Adverb. Hello everyone. Today we the students of K.R. Mangalam University, myself Nijagna,
Myself Krish.
And myself, Soumya.
we are here to explore robots in action at Adverb, India's largest robotic manufacturing unit.
We had the incredible chance to meet Mr. Nitin Rawat sir, who is the manufacturing head at Adverb. He personally gave us a tour of one of the largest robotic manufacturing plants in the country.
So basically this facility is in Greater Noida, as you are aware, and in this facility we can make approximately 1 lakh of the robots per annum.
The entire Adverb plant is divided into 4 major sections. First, the manufacturing unit, then the warehouse, followed by the assembly line, and finally the testing area.
For building robots, they use mild steel, stainless steel and aluminium. But our real question was, ये materials plant में आते कैसे हैं और किस form में आते हैं?
We are getting the raw material in the form of kit, tube, in SS sheets. So there are a lot of things we are getting from our vendors, our suppliers, and we are manufacturing it here as per the design requirement.
The manufacturing process is structured in 4 major steps: cutting, welding, bending and painting.
So the material cutting area has 3 main machines. First is laser cutting machine, which cuts metal sheets with high accuracy.
You can see this is our laser section. We used to get the raw material as a sheet. So these are the sheet we are getting from our vendors. We are placing it, and now you can see that these are the laser which is cutting the sheet as per the design requirement.
Then second, VMC, vertical centering machine, which handles detailed and complex shaping of parts.
So basically these machines are used to make the robot part, and where we need the very high precision of the dimensions requirement, very minimum tolerances are there in microns, and flatness of the surface is much required. So in those process we use our VMC machines.
And finally, tube laser cutting machine, which is perfect for tubular and cylindrical components.
Tube laser cutting machine we have. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि हम tube की form में we receive the raw material and we cut it as per the design requirement like holes and slot.
सर इसमें कौन कौन से मटेरियल्स हम कट करते हैं जो कि हम अपने एडवर्ब वाले रोबोट्स में यूज़ करते हैं?
Basically we cut more frequent MS के part हम इसमें cut करते हैं. MS raw material like sheet, tubes, हम aluminium part करते हैं, हम इसके अंदर SS के part करते हैं, हम Durlin and acrylic part हम cut करते हैं, major of the part.
The welding they use are of 2 types: robotic welding used for precision and conventional welding used for flexibility.
तो दिस इज आवर वेल्डिंग सेक्शन. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास रोबोटिक वेल्डिंग है. जो हमारे वेल्डिंग सेक्शन दिस इज प्योरली रोबोटिक एंड दिस इज नॉट अ ह्यूमन फ्रेंडली रोबोट. तो आप देख सकते हैं जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास पूरा केज है, सेफ्टी केज. तो नोबडी कैन ह्यूमन कैन इंटरफेयर व्हाइल द रोबोट्स आर वर्किंग.
सो सर एडवर्ब के पास ऐसी और कितनी वेल्डिंग मशीन्स है?
एज ऑफ नाउ हमारे पास रोबोटिक मशीन अभी एक है. वी आर प्लानिंग टू हैव आवर ओन कोबोट व्हिच आर कोबोट्स आर बेसिकली द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रोबोट एंड ह्यूमन, and they are very much friendly to work together. So this is our welding area. Before to that, previously we have seen the robotic welding. This is the conventional welding area we have. We have few stations like 6-7 station for the conventional welding.
Once it's done, the parts go for bending.
So this is our one of the bending machine. Bending machine में you can see कि जो हमें required angle पे sheet को bend करना है. Like in some of the design, like जो अभी product चल रहा है, this is for 1.5 ton of our AMR. इसमें जो covers हैं, इसमें 90 degree का bend required है. So the operator is doing the bending as per the design requirement.
जैसे कि आपने बताया था कि बहुत सारे मटेरियल चूज होते हैं, तो इसमें तो बेसिकली अगर बेंडिंग हो रही है तो हार्ड मटेरियल ही होगा. तो
Exactly, जो हमारे पास बेंड के लिए ऑप्शन रहता है, that is almost for the SS part, MS part. एल्युमिनियम में भी नहीं होता बेंडिंग. एल्युमिनियम के अंदर we can have the holes, the thread features and all, the cut section, the slots. But in MS and SS के पार्ट के अंदर we have that kind of design requirement में there is a possibility कि वो हमारे पास bend requirement हो. Because these are the most part जो हम use करते हैं वो हम outer protection और chases और base के लिए use करते हैं हम.
And finally, the parts enter the paint shop.
This is our paint shop. This is basically paint shop. We have a capacity of 1800 square meter of the area we can paint in a day in 24 hours. You can see this is a complete process that it's a conveyor over there on which we hang the part, and we have a combination of 3-4 sub process in this paint shop area.
Once everything is fabricated, the components are stored in Adverb's fully automated warehouse.
We have our few products available in this warehouse. We have MLS multi-level shuttle, we have quadrons, we have the ASRS system, we have the multi-pro available in this warehouse. As you can see that we can have a capacity of 22,000 of tote available in the warehouse and 2200 number of pallets we have. So we can retrieve approximate 50 number of pallet per hour and approximate 200 number of tote per hour. So this makes our warehouse very efficient and capable to store and retrieve the material.
This isn't your regular warehouse, it's multi-level high-tech storage facility. So I asked what's the capacity and how does it run so smoothly. Turn out the secret is your in-house Adverb software that manages it all efficiently.
So the functionality, basically the functionality of this warehouse, that whatever the requirements comes, we push it into our software, and that software, our software, Adverb software, is integrated with the SAP. So the combination from our software and integration of our software and SAP works together very well, so that we are able to store and retrieve the material with the live tracking of their current status of their quantities and the FIFOs.
Next, we move to the assembly line, which is split into the two sections. The first, which is conveyor-based system, and the second follows pallet shuttle assembly line.
This complete section, you can see it's a assembly process where we actually manufacture the robot. So as of now, we have 6 lines available and running at this moment. And we have this conveyor assembly line. तो वर्क स्टेशन पे हमने हर किसी मैन पावर का जो काम है वो एक डिवाइड किया हुआ है. तो जैसे ही उस स्टेशन का काम खत्म होता है, इट मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्टेशन. सो दिस इज आवर पैलेट शटल असेंबली लाइन. तो सेम कॉन्सेप्ट जो मैंने आपको अभी बताया था कि हम वी वर्क ऑन द लीन कॉन्सेप्ट. तो हमारे पास स्टेशन वाइज हम असेंबली करते हैं. हर स्टेशन का हमारा एक डिफाइन टेक टाइम है, डिफाइन प्रोसीजर है, डिफाइन हमारा वर्क कंटेंट है उसके अंदर. तो ये फर्स्ट स्टेज है. देन मूविंग फॉरवर्ड सेकंड स्टेज है. तो यू विल सी कि हर एक स्टेज पे उनके स्टेशन वाइज वर्क कंटेंट जो है वो हमारे शटल के ऊपर हम उसको अटैच करते हुए चलते हैं फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ द रोबोट. लाइक यू कैन सी दिस इज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बॉक्स जो हमारा है. तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बॉक्स का असेंबली हमने करा हुआ है. इसमें हमने अपना जो वायरिंग है, वायरिंग लेआउट वी हैव स्टार्टेड. इसके जो चेजेस है, हमारा जो फ्रेम है उसमें वी हैव अटैच द व्हील्स. तो सेक्शन वाइज जो है हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है वो वर्क कंटेंट के साथ जो है हमारा मूव करता रहता है. एंड जो स्मॉल असेंबलीज हमारी होती हैं बिफोर अटैचिंग इट टू द मेन चेजेस, वो हमारा जो है सब असेंबली स्टेशन पे भी प्रिपेयर. तो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड जैसे कि हमारा अब कंटेंट आएगा तो नाउ यहाँ पे जो है हम वायरिंग कर रहे हैं. तो वायरिंग भी हम जो है सारा का सारा इन हाउस प्रॉपर वायरिंग हम करते हैं. दीज आर द केबल्स, जो हमारा जो कम्युनिकेशन केबल है हमारा रोबोट्स के अंदर जो होता है. दीज आर द सम सेंसर, दीज आर द PLC जहाँ से हमारा जो कमांड है रोबोट को जाता है. तो सारा का सारा इसके अंदर रहता है हमारा. दोस PLCs एंड कंट्रोलर्स आर इनसाइड दिस बॉक्स. तो सिमिलरली वर्क कंटेनर के हिसाब से मूव करता रहेगा। तो फाइनल अप्रॉक्सीमेट जो शेप मिलता है हमारे रोबोट को, जो पैलेट शटल है, वो एक इस तरह से रहता है कि हमारे पास यहाँ पे मोटर्स हैं, गियर बॉक्स हैं, शाफ्ट्स हैं, व्हील हैं, विच आर कनेक्टेड। दीज आर द लिफ्टिंग मैकेनिज्म जो हमारे वेट को लिफ्ट करती हैं। एंड इसके अंदर हमारा PLC एंड कंट्रोलर मॉड्यूल है जो कि कंट्रोल करता है कि व्हेन इट हैज़ टू बेसिकली इनिशिएट द लिफ्टिंग एंड ऑल। और इसका मूवमेंट जो है हमारा एक पर्टिकुलर एक ट्रैक पे होता है, तो ट्रैक के अंदर ये मूव करता है।
Once the robots are assembled, it's time for testing.
But wait, how do you even test a robot, yaar? Adverb has a dedicated testing zone where every watt goes through performance and quality check.
हमारे पास जो है ये हमारा टेस्टिंग सेटअप है पूरा का पूरा, जहाँ पे हम अपने रोबोट्स का फुल प्लेस टेस्टिंग करते हैं एज पर द ऑल द चेक पॉइंट एंड वैलिडेशन। तो इसके अंदर जितना भी हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है, जैसे यू कैन सी इट्स ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट प्रोडक्ट विच इज ऑन द टेस्टिंग ट्रैक। तो ये नंबर ऑफ साइकिल जो है हम वी टेस्ट, लाइक सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट रिक्वायर्ड 2 आवर, सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट रिक्वायर्ड 4 आवर, सम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इवन मे बी रिक्वायर्ड more than 2 days, 3 days, depending on their checklist and validation point. And again, this is for अभी पैलेट शटल क्रूजर के लिए था। अगेन अगर मैं बात करता हूँ हमारा जो रोबोट एरिया है, तो द कंप्लीट दिस जोन विच इज फेंस्ड, इट इज फॉर द रोबोट टेस्टिंग एरिया। तो यहाँ पे वी टेस्ट द AMRs जो हमारे रोबोट्स हैं, हम उनका टेस्टिंग करते हैं। इवन आर AMRs आर ह्यूमन फ्रेंडली, दे कैन वर्क अलॉन्ग विद द ह्यूमन, कोई इशू नहीं है। वी आर having that kind of safety in that our robot, so that any obstacle or any human come, it stops or it divert its parts. So you can see some of the barcode on the shop floor, because some of the robot which do not exactly run on their own, they have to find the part through this barcode. So that's why for the testing purpose on this test area we have some barcode placed on the shop floor, and some of the robot, those can move freely, they navigate easily into the plant. So as you can see, this is our 1-ton robot. तो 1-ton robot जो है it is अपने आप से navigate करके finding the part and moving towards one area to another area. तो these are the docking stations, जहाँ पे ये हमारा जो AMR है वो park होता है and it lifts the weight and it takes the goods from one place to another place. And the capacity of this robot is 1 ton. It can take one payload of like 1 ton, 1000 kg to one place to another place.
After a wonderful tour at Adverb Company, now we are going to directly interact with the co-founder, Mr. Bir Singh. He shared how Adverb began, how they overcome the challenges, and his bold vision for the future.
So before starting Adverb, we all were working in capacity of project manager for our previous employers, and we used to build factories, very advanced factories for them. And during that time, whenever you need to buy latest cutting edge technology, you are always dependent upon Europe, US, Japan, Korea. And we always used to think, why can't this kind of equipments be built in India? We have such a good talent who is present in India. So with this thought process, so one day we decided, let's start Adverb. We started Adverb with 4 people with a vision to build world-class technology coming out from India. So building robots in India and selling across the globe. With this vision we started. Right now, after 8-9 years, we have more than 900 plus engineers in our company. We are India's largest warehouse automation and robotics company, and we are world's fastest growing robotics company.
Sir, how do Adverb robots find their ways in such complex warehouses without bumping into things or without bumping into humans?
So robots they are a complex machine. So they have sensors which are basically lidars, cameras, etc., which can map the complete environment, right? And there are units, localization units, IMU, which can localize. So they create map, they localize themselves, and accordingly they navigate inside the warehouse. Apart from this, there are various safety sensors which ensures they don't bump anything. Forget about human beings, anything.
So sir, as technology is evolving day by day, so sir, what are the Adverb's focuses? So how they maintain cutting edge technology in their products and systems?
Earlier we were focused on warehouse automation, so things related to warehouse automation, AMRs, etc. Last year we decided that we will enter into the advanced robotics section. Advanced robotics are basically embedded AI, so AI inside robots, so whether 2-leg, 4-leg robots. So we have built a team, and so we launched quadruped last year, and this year we'll be launching humanoid.
We also sat down with Mr. Sumit Joshi, who is the Chief Learning Officer, and Mr. Ramanujan Acharya, the Product Manager, for a panel discussion.
Sir, robots like Heel and Tracker, what were the difficulties and hurdles you faced during developing them, and how did your engineering team solve them?
So as you know that you are very much correct in saying that those are very different in nature. They look very different. One is a dog robot, one is a humanoid, then we have a cobot. And all the applications are different for all of these. But the core technology, the fundamentals that are used in robotics will remain the same. So when I talk about an actuator, it is about a motor driver and an encoder. So these three things will always be there. So if you attack fundamentally to the problems that are occurring in robotics, like if you know how to run an actuator, how to manipulate the actuator, how to calibrate the actuator according to the application, then it becomes somewhat easy. So our engineers solve the most fundamental problems that are most complex in nature.
So sir, with capacity of manufacturing 100,000 robots annually,
Yeah.
so sir, how Adverb ensures the consistency and the quality in the mass production?
So we do three things: process, and process. So we ensure that we establish processes which have helped us to scale from where we were, let's say 4 years back to now, and we will now use those same process to scale to 1 lakh robots a year. So processes, and if you add to that standardization, that helps us to improve productivity and meet that scale. Okay. So we have ensured that we develop systems and processes which are easy to implement. We ensure the discipline in employees so that they follow the processes, and because of the systems and processes that we have, we are able to scale up. Okay.
Sir, if I have to join Adverb, what are the technical skills required to join Adverb?
Oh. See, we are a startup and we are scaling very rapidly. So in this environment, I think few things are extremely important for anybody who wants to join Adverb and be successful. So one is ability to take on more responsibilities. The culture here is that we don't give tasks to people. We just say that this has to be done and people have to take ownership of that task. So taking ownership and accountability is extremely important. Okay.
From metals to machine, we have witnessed every step of how robots are born.
Adverb isn't just building robots, they are building future of automation here in India.
As we are proud to have seen it up close as the students of Kyamangalam University.